Hi, this is Kim. Welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. Today I'm going to be talking about the start menu and the taskbar. I did a video previously, but the sound quality was really bad, so I'm going to redo it. Might be the same, might be a little different, I don't know. Anyways, here we go. What is the start menu? First of all, that's here when you click on start. This is the start menu. This is the taskbar down here along the bottom. This is Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro. Let's get started. So, to get to the start menu, basically, click on start, and up comes your list of all your installed software. And there's a little cute little thing. If you click this little dollar sign right here, puts it alphabetical. So if you were looking for something in particular and you say it starts with an M, you click on M and it'll just take you right to the M's. So that's kind of cool. It only works if you're at the top here of the list. It's right there. It's a fun little tip I just threw in there. Okay, so your start menu basically has your programs. Over here on the side has who you are, here's your documents, here's your pictures, here's your settings, here's power. Over here are tiles that you can add, delete, change the size. Let me show you how to do that real fast. Okay, so I just added some real quick, and these are all just the normal size. But let's say we want to change it. So you just right mouse click, and you can choose resize. You can make it small, and it makes it really small. You can resize and make it medium. You can get rid of it altogether, but I'm not going to do that. But you can unpin it, so it won't be there anymore. So that it'll be unpinned from start. Ooh. Okay, so we unpinned it, now it's gone. But let's say we want it back. That was PowerPoint. So let's go down here to PowerPoint. So it's right here. You right mouse click, pin to start. So there it is. You can drag it around. You can move them wherever you want them. So yeah. So I wanted to also show you, if you go to more, it will also let you pin it to the taskbar. So like you can click and then now it'll be down here on your taskbar. If you don't want it on there, right mouse click, unpin from taskbar. Now the thing that's different between Windows 7 and Windows 10 is you can't, like you used to be able to right mouse click on something and say send to desktop. It doesn't let you do that anymore. It'll let you pin it to start or pin it to the taskbar. If you ultimately want it on your desktop, do pin to start, and then you click on it, left click, and just drag. And then now it'll be on the desktop. And then you can right mouse click, delete if you don't want it on the desktop. Doesn't delete the program, it just deletes the shortcut on your desktop. So it's still here, I don't want it there either. Right mouse click, more, oops, unpin from start, sorry. Okay, so we just drag them around. If we want to make them smaller, resize, small. So that's easy. You can make it look however you want. If you get rid of all of them, here, let's get rid of all of them. Show you how. Then it looks really nice, actually, because it's nothing there at all. I'll show you in a second how awesome it will look. If you like a clean look, you're going to want to get rid of them, all of them. So now when you click on start, now it's just your list of programs. You still have access to your little alphabetized list, which is kind of cute. You want the regular list? Oops. Oh, excuse me. If you want the regular list, just click on a letter, and they'll all come back. Anyways, okay, so that's pretty much the start menu. Now, the taskbar is down here along the bottom. You'll have your search bar. If that is missing for whatever reason, right mouse click over here on the bar where there's nothing, go to search, and then click on show search box, and that'll come back. I'm surprised how many people somehow this gets, they probably accidentally go in there. I don't know how you would do that, but, and this is missing. So that's how you get the search box back. So this is your basic, these are your programs. If they're underlined like these are, that means that they're open. If it's just sitting there, that means it's just ready to be used, but it's not open at the moment. Over here you have your date and time. If you click on that, you get a little calendar, which is kind of nice. You can add an event right here. You don't have to like actually open it up. You can just click right here from this little date and time, which is kind of nice. This is your notification center. So notifications would be up here. This is where you can turn on your night light, go to your settings, network settings. You can connect to, and here's where you can use your projector, a VPN, and your alarms and screen snip. I use this other snipper, but anyway, so that's that. Now you'll notice that there's not many icons here. This little up arrow, if you click on that, will show you the rest of them. So yeah, so here's shows that I'm using my microphone. This is your internet. And I don't have Wi-Fi in here because this is a desktop, but your desktop would also be here. And this is your audio. So that's it. That's the taskbar. You can change it. So you can right mouse click here, and you can choose show these variety of things. You can also get to the task manager from here, which is nice. You can add toolbars, that sort of thing. If there's something on here you don't want, right mouse click, unpin from taskbar, and it goes away. Right click, unpin from taskbar, and then it's gone. You want to add something to it, same way we did with the add to start. Right mouse click, more, pin to taskbar. So now it's on my taskbar. I don't really want that there, so right mouse click, unpin from taskbar. You can also lock the taskbar, which is nice. It'll always be visible. So like I've seen people get really freaked out because they're down here up and down trying to get it to stay up, when all you have to do is really hover over it. But this way it'll never go away. So whatever I'm doing up here, this will not go down. So that's how you lock it if you want to do that. So if I don't lock it, then I'm doing something else, it can go away. So let's see. What else? I think that's about it for this. So let's stop here. I hope that was helpful, and hopefully it sounded better than the first one. And so I'm going to do a couple of the other ones that are really terrible too. If you have any of my videos that you'd like me to redo, please just put it down in the comments and I'll go and redo them. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thanks.